Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the old gamer again. This is going to be a quick video of unboxing of the Corsair H150 360mm RGB liquid cooler for the processor for our new build. And this time the package is actually sealed, so we'll do opening of the package and then do the unboxing. Let's start. So here we can see what all things we'll get: 3 fans, the radiator, mounting brackets. I think one of them is going to be the back plate, one is going to be at the top on which the pump will be attached. Yeah, so we'll get some wires and connectors. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay. H55 H100 H150 RGB series. It's just so you scan this to get the manual, safety and warranty guide. So this is the radiator with the pump side there. Let me take the pump out first. So this is the pump. Currently it is enclosed inside a plastic molded thing, packing thing. LG 1700. I'm not sure, I'll have to go through the manual I guess this time because it is pretty new. I mean, I did this last time, but it was just 280mm radiator and fans at that point of time. So these are your Corsair 120mm RGB fans, 3 of them. So there will be some intermediate assembly involved before you're able to actually use the radiator. So that is going to be something. Maybe I'll make a video out of that as well. But yeah, that's pretty much what we have in the box. And this is your radiator. And I'm also going to do a top mount of this, which will be a first for me as well, because the case does support top mount, so that I wouldn't have to worry about air bubbles and other things getting into the pump and things like that. So yeah, that's my reasoning of mounting it on the top of the case. I hope it fits. Yeah, thanks. So yeah, that was the quick unboxing of the cooler. Hopefully I'll also make a video of the pre-assembly we'll have to do on the cooler uh, before we do the full assembly into the build. So that's it. Quick unboxing of the Corsair H150 RGB liquid cooler. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Till the next time. Bye.